Vinyl siding. Introduced in the late 1950s as a highly practical alternative to traditional aluminum and wood, this synthetic cladding quickly revolutionized the residential construction industry. Manufactured primarily from polyvinyl chloride, these engineered panels are remarkably lightweight, yet they offer an impressive defense against harsh weather conditions. Unlike organic materials that require endless scraping, painting, or sealing to stave off progressive rot, these synthetic planks effortlessly retain their color and structural integrity for decades. Homeowners simply need to give the exterior an occasional gentle wash with a garden hose to keep it looking fresh. Builders also gravitate toward this option because the installation process is exceptionally straightforward, which significantly drives down the cost of labor. The physical nature of the plastic means it constantly expands and contracts as the seasons shift, requiring installers to hang the panels loosely on the wall rather than nailing them down tightly. Over the passing decades, advanced manufacturing techniques have dramatically evolved, allowing modern versions to closely mimic the textured depth of rough-cut wood grain without demanding the heavy, frustrating maintenance burden that natural timber requires. Wood siding. For countless generations, this was the absolute standard method for protecting homes from the punishing outdoor elements, relying entirely on the natural strength and subtle insulating properties of harvested timber. Typically crafted from premium tree species that are naturally resistant to decay, such as western red cedar, rich redwood, or treated pine, the material offers an undeniable organic warmth that modern synthetic alternatives constantly struggle to perfectly replicate. The raw planks can be specifically milled into an enormous variety of profiles, including classic horizontal clapboards, rustic split shingles, or tall vertical board and batten designs, giving homeowners immense architectural flexibility. However, capturing and maintaining this classic beauty requires a very serious long-term commitment to exterior upkeep. To successfully prevent hidden moisture intrusion, devastating insect damage, and structural rot, the wooden surface must be meticulously scraped, stained, or repainted every few years. Despite the extensive and costly maintenance required over the life of the building, many architectural purists and historical preservationists still insist on using it to maintain a genuine, time-tested aesthetic that ages gracefully over the lifespan of the structure. Fiber cement siding. Emerging as a highly resilient and ingenious modern innovation, this heavy-duty exterior material was specifically developed to bridge the difficult gap between the warm aesthetic appeal of natural wood and the impenetrable, lasting strength of solid masonry. It is manufactured through a highly specialized, pressure-driven process that carefully combines Portland cement, fine silica sand, clean water, and natural cellulose wood fibers into a dense, heavy composite board. The resulting architectural planks are incredibly robust, completely impervious to destructive wood-boring insects like termites, and highly resistant to open flames, making them a heavily favored and sometimes mandated option in regions historically prone to devastating wildfires. Because the boards are cast in carefully designed molds during production, they can flawlessly simulate the deep, authentic textures of rough-sawn cedar or smooth, modern lap boards. While it requires significantly less maintenance than natural timber, the heavy material is considerably more brittle before it is securely fastened to the wall, demanding specialized cutting tools and experienced labor to handle the challenging installation safely and correctly. Furthermore, the stable surface holds exterior paint exceptionally well, meaning color applications last much longer before showing any signs of peeling. Brick veneer. Long valued across the globe for its classic permanence and stately grounded appearance, this enduring method utilizes fired clay blocks to create a highly protective, weather-resistant shell around a modern timber or steel building frame. Unlike solid masonry construction from the 19th century where the heavy clay blocks actually supported the weight of the roof, this modern approach serves entirely as a decorative and protective exterior skin. The individual units are carefully bound together with wet mortar, deliberately leaving a small, engineered air gap between the heavy masonry and the actual structural wall behind it to allow for critical moisture drainage and improved energy insulation. Fired in massive superheated kilns, the earth-based materials gain an inherent, lifelong resistance to fire, extreme winds, and severe weather events that would easily destroy weaker materials. It is widely considered a genuine lifetime exterior finish because the hard surface virtually never needs to be painted or replaced, though the softer mortar joints may eventually require minor, localized touch-ups decades down the line. The initial installation represents a very significant financial investment, but the enduring structural elegance and total lack of daily maintenance easily offset the steep upfront construction costs. Metal siding. Once strictly relegated to vast agricultural barns and heavy industrial manufacturing facilities, this incredibly tough cladding has steadily made its way into upscale contemporary residential architecture due to its sheer longevity and sleek, modernist aesthetic. Typically fabricated from either heavy-gauge steel or lightweight aluminum, The rigid panels are often finished with highly durable factory-applied coatings designed specifically to protect the underlying metal against progressive rust and harsh ultraviolet light degradation. Aluminum is naturally impervious to red rust and is therefore heavily favored in coastal residential areas constantly exposed to corrosive salty air, while thick steel offers genuinely unmatched impact resistance against brutal hailstorms and flying storm debris. The metallic panels are frequently rolled and formed into deep corrugated sheets, sharp standing seam profiles, or entirely flat architectural blocks, providing architects with immense and exciting design flexibility. Beyond its physical toughness, the material is entirely recyclable at the end of its long life and often highly reflective, which helps bounce harsh solar radiation directly away from the building to keep indoor cooling costs noticeably lower during the sweltering summer months. Stucco. Tracing its historical roots far back to ancient architectural building traditions, this continuous exterior plaster provides a seamless, monolithic appearance deeply associated with beautiful Mediterranean and Spanish colonial home designs. The traditional foundational mixture is carefully composed of Portland cement, fine sand, limestone, and water, which is then applied completely wet over a specialized supportive wire framework commonly known as lath. Highly skilled artisans must trowel the heavy, wet mixture onto the walls in multiple successive layers, eventually hand-texturing the final visual coat to achieve anything from a perfectly smooth, modern finish to a deeply swept, heavily rustic surface. Because the wet plaster slowly dries and cures into a solid rock-like crust, it creates an absolutely exceptional barrier against fierce wind and extreme heat, making it incredibly popular and practical in hot, arid climates where the heavy thermal mass naturally helps regulate indoor home temperatures. While modern synthetic alternatives certainly exist today that incorporate flexible acrylics for better crack resistance, the traditional cement-based hand-troweled method remains highly prized for its raw, historical durability and completely undeniable old-world charm.